Okay, now you have been told that A, B and C are the angles of a triangle. So if this is the condition, then you have to prove that sin A plus sin B plus sin C over sin A dot sin B equals to sec A by 2 dot sec B by 2 dot cos C by 2. So here we go. Here you have been told that A, B and C are the angles of a triangle. So if that is the case, since, okay, see a solution here. You have been told that A, B and C are the angles of a triangle. So you can say that A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. Why? Because sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Or you can say that A plus B equals to 180 degree minus C. So in the RHS you have divide by 2. So you here also you have to divide by 2. If you have divide by 2 in the RHS, then in most of the cases you have to divide by 2. So I am dividing each term by 2. Then you will have that A by 2 plus B by 2 equals to 90 degree minus C by 2. Now let us take sine and cos from both sides. Taking sine and cos on both sides. So when you are going to take sine and cos on both sides, then you will have sine A by 2 plus B by 2 equals to sine 90 degree minus C by 2, and we know that sine 90 minus C by 2 is cos C by 2. In the similar way, if you take cos on both sides, then you have cos A by 2 plus B by 2 equals to cos 90 minus C by 2 equals to sine C by 2. So you have to know these things. So this is the first step. If you do this step, then you will get 1 marks. So remember this thing. Sine A plus B by 2, we have so far obtained sine A plus B by 2 as cos C by 2, and we also have obtained cos A plus B by 2 as sine C by 2 here. Sine A plus B by 2 as cos C by 2, and we have obtained cos A plus B by 2 as sine C by 2. Now that should be memorized. Now we'll start our problem from the left hand side. So starting our problem from the left hand side. So this is the left hand side for marriages. Okay, I'm starting this from the left hand side. You have sine A plus sine B. So you can assume this to be sine C plus sine D, and you can use the formula. The formula is 2 sine C plus D by 2 dot cos C minus D by 2 plus sine C as it is. And what you have in the denominator? You have in the denominator sine A dot sine B. Keep writing sine A dot sine B. Now we have to, now see here, sine A plus B by 2 is cos C by 2. So sine A plus B by 2 in place of this sine A plus B by 2, we are going to write here cos C by 2. We had obtained this earlier. So sine A plus B by 2 in place of sine A plus B by 2, we will write here cos C by 2. So 2 will be as it is into cos A minus B by 2 plus sine C by, you have sine A dot sine B, 2 cos C by 2 dot cos A minus B by 2. Now you have to use that formula of sine C where you get 2 cos C by 2. Means you have to use the formula of sine C in such a way that there exists 2 cos C by 2. So the formula for sine C where there is 2 cos C by 2 is 2 sine C by 2 dot cos C by 2, because we know the formula. The formula is, we have sine A equals to 2 sine A by 2 dot cos B by 2. Sorry, dot cos A by 2. So in the similar way, sine C will change into 2 sine C by 2 dot cos C by 2. Now by doing this, you can take 2 cos C by 2, 2 cos C by 2 common. Now you have here sine A dot sine B in the denominator. Now let us take common. Okay, let us take 2 cos C by 2 common. 2 cos C by 2 common. After taking that common, you have here cos A minus B by 2 plus cos C by 2. And in the denominator, you have sin A dot sin B. 2 cos C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus. Now you have the value of cos C by 2 as sin A plus B by 2. So in case of cos C by 2, you can write here sin. Okay, sorry, you have here sin C by 2 left. After when you take cos C by 2 common, you have sin C by 2 left. So the formula for sin C by 2 is cos A plus B by 2. And you still have the denominator as sin A dot sin B. Now keep solving the problem. You have 2 cos C by 2. Now you can assume this to be cos C plus cos T. Cos C plus cos T, and the formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 C. Cos C plus cos D. This is C and this is D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 dot cos C minus D by 2. So this is the formula for cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 dot cos C minus D by 2. And in the denominator, you still have sin A dot sin B. Now let's solve it. You have 2 cos C by 2 dot 2 cos. Now you going to solve this. You can take LCM. Your LCM will be 2, and you have A minus B plus A plus B. Now you have 1 by 2 outside as well, so you can cancel this minus B and plus B. Similarly, you also have you have to take LCM here as well. 2 is the LCM. So A minus B. Now because of this minus, the sign gets changed. You have 1 by 2 as it is, and in the denominator you have sin A dot sin B. Okay. Now after doing this, you have 2 cos C by 2 as it is now. You have sin A dot sin B here. You have 2 cos C by 2 as it is. Now when you solve it, you have A plus A 2A. 2A by 2 is A, and you have by 2 outside also. So this will be 2 cos A by 2. Again, you also have here, you can cancel the plus A and minus A. Now when you cancel this plus A and minus A, you have minus B minus B. That is minus 2B. So minus 2B by 2 is minus B. And you have by 2 outside as well. So by doing this 1 by 2 outside, you will have here cos B by 2 here. Nothing complicated. Just solve this portion, solve this, and solve this as well. And now in the denominator you have here sin A dot sin B. Now in place of this sin A, you can write the formula of sin A as 2 sin A by 2 dot cos B by 2. So this is the formula of sin A. Now in the case of sin B, you can write here 2 sin B by 2 dot cos B by 2. Now you can cancel the terms. You can cancel this 2 and 2. You can also cancel this 2 and this 2. Now you can also cancel cos A by 2 and cos. You don't have here. Okay, cos A by 2. Okay. You can also cancel cos B by 2 and cos B by 2. Now what you have left in the numerator is cos C by 2 into 1 by sin A by 2 dot 1 by sin B by 2, which further changed to be cos C by 2 dot cosec A by 2 dot cosec B by 2. The step up to getting this is what over here. You have to get this as we had done earlier. Now you have to start a problem from the left hand side. From the left hand side you have here sin A plus sin B. So you can use the formula of sin C plus sin D. So the formula will be 2 sin C plus D by 2 dot cos C minus D by 2, and then this minus sin C as it is by. Now what you have in the denominator, you have sin A dot sin B as it is. Now you have the value of sin a plus b by 2 as cos c by 2. So in place of sin a plus b by 2, you have to write here cos c by 2 dot cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c. Now you have to use the formula of sin c in such a way that you can get 2 cos c by 2 common. So the formula will be 2 sin c by 2 dot cos c by 2. We use the formula of sin c in such a way that we got 2 cos c by 2 as our solution, as our common. So you have here sin a dot sin b as it is. Now you can take 2 cos c by 2 common. After taking common, you have here cos a minus b by 2 minus 2 cos c by 2. You have here sin c by 2 as it is, divided by sin a dot sin b. Now furthermore, you have 2 cos c by 2. Now you have 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus. Okay, now formula for sin c by 2 is cos c a plus b by 2. Minus is copied same. So sin c will change into cos a plus b by 2. And your denominator is same. Your denominator is sin a dot sin b. Now let's further solve it. 2 cos c by 2 as it is. Cos a, okay, now you can apply the formula of cos c minus cos t. The formula for cos c minus cos t is 2 sin c plus d by 2 dot sin b minus c by 2. This is b minus c, okay, by 2. Okay, we operate the formula of cos c minus cos t here, and you have sin a dot sin b, same in the denominator. You also have sin a dot sin b in the denominator. Now you have here 2 cos c by 2 same. 2 sin. Now you can solve it. You can take 2 common, LCM. You have a minus b plus a plus b, and then this LCM 2 and this 2 also you can put it together. Now you can cancel this plus b and minus b, and you have also here sign. When you take LCM, you'll have here 2 a plus b. Now because of this minus, the sign gets changed, so you'll have here minus a plus b into 2, this 2 by sin a dot sin b equals to 2 cos c by 2 dot 2 sin. Now when you solve, a plus a gives you 2a, 2a by 4 gives you a by 2. Now similarly, plus a minus a gets cancelled, so b plus b gives you 2b, 2b by 4 is b by 2. Now in the denominator, you can apply the formula. Sin a is 2 sin a by 2 dot cos a by 2. You can also apply the formula of sin b as 2 sin b by 2 dot cos b by 2. Now you can cancel this 2 and this 2. You can cancel also this 2 and this 2. You can also cancel sin a by 2 and sin a by 2. You can also cancel sin b by 2 and sin b by 2, and you will have here cos c by 2 as it is, and you have here 1 by cos a by 2, that is sec a by 2, and you also have 1 by cos b by 2, that is sec b by 2. Now this is our solution. So you will have here sec a by 2 dot sec b by 2 dot cos c by 2 as our RHS. So this is how we solve our problem.